Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install Wireshark on Linux. So first of all we will go into the browser and we will go into the official Wireshark site in order to see the installation steps. So I will type in Wireshark for Linux, and we have, I think this site is the best. So wireshark.org/download.html. So maybe at the beginning I will tell you what is Wireshark, because as you can see, Wireshark is a network analysis tool, and it allows you to capture and analyze network packets in real time. It is very useful tool. So now we can move to the installation. As you can see, we have three versions for Windows, one for macOS, and we have the version for Ubuntu. We are on the Ubuntu, so we can use that. And now we have this command. We have to use this command. So in order to use this command, of course, we have to go into terminal. So I will type in, first of all, sudo add-apt-repository, and right now PPA wireshark-dev/stable. Like this. I think I didn't make any mistake, so I can press enter and type in my password, and as you can see, it is working. We have to press enter in order to add it, and now it should work fine. Now you can move to the second step, sudo apt-update. So we can do it, and right now we can install our Wireshark by typing in, maybe I will clear that. So sudo apt install and Wireshark, like this. I will press enter, and right now, do you want to continue? We have to press Y, that stands for yes, because we are agreeing for everything. And now, as you can see, here we have the percentage, so 80%. It is almost at the end. And as you can see, we have a dump cap. We can install that, maybe it will be useful in the future. So as you can see, we have another installation. As you can see, 90%, almost at the finish. So now we will check if our Wireshark is working. So we can check that first of all by typing in Wireshark ---- version. I think it should work. Yes, as you can see, we have the Wireshark 4.6.2 installed, and now we can open Wireshark by typing in Wireshark in our terminal, like this. Press enter. As you can see, our Wireshark has started. The second way is by typing in, not typing in but by pressing the apps and by pressing on this icon right there. So I can click on that. It is also working. And maybe I will show you how to add your user to the Wireshark group. So you can do something like this. It might be useful because if something will basically not work, you can add your user to the Wireshark group, and maybe it will fix it. So sudo usermod -ag and Wireshark and $user. It will add your current user to the Wireshark group. So I will press enter. In order to make it work, you have to log out and log back into your account to apply the changes in your group. So you can do it. I'm not gonna do it because for me Wireshark is working. So if you found this video helpful and if you know how to install Wireshark on Linux, you can leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.